In this video, I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp link. So different from your WhatsApp profile page or the WhatsApp application, you can create a unique WhatsApp link that you can add to your Instagram account, Facebook, TikTok, or share with people that want to connect with you on WhatsApp. So if I done this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the browser on your phone. So it could be Safari and it could be Chrome. So once you open that, you want to go to this particular website that is called create.wa.link. This, and then once you're on this page, you'll be able to create or get your WhatsApp link. Now the first thing you want to do here is this: come down to create your free link here and type in your phone number. By default, WhatsApp is going to detect your country of residence. You can see I'm a Nigerian, that's why you see the country code. Go ahead and type in your WhatsApp phone number. Now once you type it, you can add a custom message if there is a need for that, or go ahead and click on preview. You see this is going to take you to your WhatsApp chat automatically, where you can easily connect to this WhatsApp account. Now come back here and click on generate my link. Then you should see the WhatsApp link like this, or download this QR code. But in this case, go ahead and copy the link. Now once you copy the link and you share this link with anyone, come to this page, paste the link on any WhatsApp or messaging app and send it. This is how it's going to look. Then go ahead and send this. Then that is the WhatsApp message. If I take my second device and open the WhatsApp message on it like this, then I open this message, then open the link just like this. You say this is going to take me back to WhatsApp and it will prompt you to connect to the WhatsApp account. So this is how you can easily get WhatsApp link on your device. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.